Hi, so this is Paul from PH Exterior Cleaning Services. Today we're going to be removing the moss from this house. The person's just bought the property and you can see it's really infested with moss, and the fascias, soffits and gutters all need cleaning. So we're literally going to wash the house, give it a nice shampoo, bit of a condition, and bring it up to scratch. So in terms of all the gear, a lot of it's already laid out. Soft wash box for using later on, mix is made up, tools for cleaning up. And then if we go around the back, we've got the pressure washer with the butt all ready to rock and roll. And then we've got Leo. Say hello, Leo. Hello. Leo, all ready to rock and roll. So this is the rear of the property. As you can see up there, again, loads of moss up there. What we're doing at the moment is just disconnecting all of those end caps, so that as we clean, all of the muck just comes out of the end cups onto the floor. Same up here. So what we don't want is all that rubbish going down the downpipe. There's a whole different ways that you can do that. You can obviously put netting in there, you can put a ball in there, or in this case we're just literally going to disconnect, and then I know the job is done, and then we'll get on with the tidying up. So at the moment we'll set up, and then I'll send a drone up when Leo over there gets started, because Leo's going to do the rear of the property as well. And again, look at that green on those fascias and soffits. I can't wait to give this house a tidy up. It's going to look really nice. Anyway, see you later. Well, good morning. So this is Friday morning. I've just come back to do some detailing on this property here. So it's all done now. There's a bit of advertising. So all cleaned. What you'll notice is the top up there is all nicely cleaned and no lichen on it. Lower down, a lot more moist, and there's some lichen. So this morning I put another dose of DDAC on that because I really want to make sure that I've soaked it in and killed it, and I've explained to the customer that 6 to 8 months that white lichen staining, the mineral deposits will come off, or weather as well, probably about 85% of them. The driveway, that had been cleaned by a Karcher, and as you can imagine there was a lot of black spot on it. So just as a freebie, because I had the time yesterday, I put sodium hypochlorite onto it and gave it a bit of a polish, if you will. I did the fascias, the soffits on the whole property, so they're done. Had a bit of hypo left, so just applied it to the path all the way around, and this patio area wasn't part of the job, but again I had the time and I literally just put it on that patio area. So that's the rear section all done. I'll send a drone up so you can see it from the top. Really nice job. I'm really pleased with it. It's come up well, and hopefully the customer will give me a 5-star review. We shall see. His name is Steve.